In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Stockx 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to make Stockx display in your preferred language, with the correct currency and local fees. First, open your browser and head to stockx.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. While you don't have to sign in to change the language, logging in is a good idea because it helps Stockx remember your preference across sessions and devices. If you're already signed in, great. You're all set to proceed. Next, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page to reach the footer. The footer is the section below the main content where you usually find site links like help, terms, and privacy. Keep scrolling until you can't go any further. In this area, look for a country or region label, or a small globe icon. On some layouts, it appears as a compact selector. On others, it's a clear text link. If you're on a phone, the footer may be nested beneath additional content, so be patient and continue to the end of the page. Now click the country selector. A list of available countries will appear. Choose the country that matches the language and regional experience you want. For example, selecting the United States will show English content and US dollars, while choosing Japan, France, or Germany will switch the language and currency to that locale. Stockx ties language to the country you pick, so this single choice updates multiple settings at once. After you've made your selection, confirm by clicking Save or Apply. Stockx will briefly reload the page. When it comes back, the interface should reflect your new language, and you'll see prices in the corresponding currency. Local fees, taxes, and shipping details will also align with your chosen region, helping you understand the total cost more accurately before you buy or sell. If the language doesn't appear to change right away, give the page a moment or refresh your browser. In most cases, the update is immediate. Because the change is region-based, you don't need to hunt for a separate language menu. Everything is handled through that country or region picker. That's all there is to it. Visit stockx.com, scroll to the footer, open the country selector, choose your region, and apply. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Stockx in the language and currency that work best for you.